It's Electrofocus, and if you're getting any problems with the infotainment system in the Volvo EX40, then I'm going to talk you through a couple of methods that you can use to reset the system. So let's get straight into the video. So if you're having problems with the infotainment system, one of these two methods may help to resolve the situation. So the first method I'm going to show you is to reset the infotainment system. So for that, you need to go to the home button just below the main screen, and you need to press and hold that in as if you were going to the screen cleaning mode, and you'll see that come up. But what you mustn't do is take your finger off that button. You want to go beyond that mode until the screen eventually goes black, and then you'll see a faint Volvo sign start to come up, and that's when you can see that the reset is in process. The Volvo sign will then get a bit brighter, and then it will start to reboot, and you'll see the home screen come back on, and that's when you know it's been completed. So that's method one. And if that doesn't solve any problems you've been having, then the second method is to reset the modem. And to do that, you need to go to the max defroster button just next to the hazard warning light, and again press and hold that button in for around 20 seconds. But while you're doing that, look above your head at the SOS button, which is just below the lights. Look for that to start flashing red. When that's flashing red, you know that the reset process has started, and you can then release the max defrost button and also turn it off if it's come on, because it normally does. And then you can just wait until the SOS button stops flashing red. So when it returns to its standard white look, then you know that the reset of the modem has taken place. If the second reset doesn't solve your problem either, then the last thing I would try is to just turn off the car, leave it for at least an hour, and then return, try those reset methods again and see if that resolves your problems. If that doesn't work, then you will need to get hold of Volvo. And there's a few ways you can contact Volvo. If you just go to the Volvo app and then go to the section which has got the speech bubble icon, and then you'll see there's plenty of ways of contacting them. My preferred way of contacting is to use the WhatsApp method. I find that to be easy to use, really responsive, and you can do things like attach photographs of what you're trying to explain, which I think is a good way of getting things resolved quickly. If though you can't get it resolved through that method, they'll probably recommend that you take it into Volvo, and that's the last resort. Hopefully one of those two reset methods will solve any problems you're having. So I hope that was useful. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.